Today we're going to talk about function. Our main goal for this lesson is to determine if the given relation is a function or not. So if we're going to determine if the given relation is a function or not, you have to satisfy two conditions. First, all x are assigned. Second, no x has more than one y assigned. So let's check if this given relation is a function or not. So let's check the first condition. All x are assigned. Check. No x has more than one y assigned. Check also. Therefore, this given relation is a function because it meets our two conditions. By the way, what type of relation is this? Correct, a one-to-one relation because each element in set A is paired with only one element in set B. And a one-to-one relation is a function. Next, let's have our second example. Again, to determine this relation, if it is a function or not, we have to satisfy those two conditions. So let's check. All x are assigned. Check. No x has more than one y assigned. Check also. So, this is a function. And what type of relation is this? A many-to-one relation because there are two or more elements in set A paired with same element in set B. And a many-to-one relation is also a function. Next, third example. So, let's check if this relation satisfies two conditions to be a function. First, all x are assigned. Check. No x has more than one y assigned. No. Why not? Because 2 is paired with 4 and 10. If that's so, this relation is not a function. Again, why not? Because it did not satisfy our second condition. And what type of relation is this? A one-to-many relation. And a one-to-many relation is not a function. What if the given relation is illustrated using graphs? How are you going to determine if the given graph is a function or not? You're going to use a vertical line test. So if the vertical line touches one point, it is said to be a function. Otherwise, it is not a function. So let's check. The first graph, if we're going to draw a vertical line here, and if we're going to move that vertical line, we only touches one point. Therefore, this is a function. What about the second graph? Also touches one point. Therefore, this is a function. The third graph, let's use a vertical line. So, in this given, it touches four or more points. Therefore, this is not a function. What about the fourth one? Also, it touches one point only. Therefore, this is a function. The last graph. So if we're going to draw a vertical line here, it touches 2 points. Therefore, this is not a function. So this is how you're going to determine if the given graph is a function or not. You simply draw a vertical line. And if it touches two or more points, it is not a function. To sum it up, relations showing one-to-one and many-to-one are functions. Again, take note there are only two relations that are considered function, and those are one-to-one and many-to-one.